Hey, have you wondered and seen in the news a lot of people just saying that this judge in the Charlie Kirk case is completely screwing it up because of delaying finding a probable cause or binding the case over until September. Now, that is very unusual. Usually at the end of a preliminary hearing, if the judge believes there's probable cause, which is a very low standard, they will bind it over for trial. Now, probable cause at a preliminary hearing requires enough evidence to show that more likely than not a crime was committed, and more likely than not the guy that they think did it did it. So it's a very low standard, and it's easily met by the prosecution in most instances. So why is this judge delaying this? Now, I think I have an idea. Now, I might be wrong, but this is my thought on it, is one of the things that happens immediately, most of the time after a bind over, is the defense, if they have reason, will file what's called a motion to quash, to try and quash the bind over, or basically say that there wasn't probable cause, and this is why. Now, in this case, I think what the judge is doing, at least I hope, is he's giving the defense the opportunity to make all of those arguments before he makes a ruling on probable cause. And what that'll mean is once he finds, if he does, and I think he will, probable cause in September, any motions to quash, the judge is just going to kick them out summarily because those issues should have already been addressed in this pre-finding briefing that he's asked the attorneys to do. That's my take on it. I think it's actually a pretty smart and savvy move on the part of this judge, because once bind over is made and they can't do a motion to quash, guess what? Unless there's a motion to suppress or some other motions in limine, which they will bring, this thing is going to move more quickly to trial than if they filed a motion to quash because of this and lost that and then filed another motion to quash. So I think this is a way that the judge is trying to speed these things up. Hey, I could be wrong. There's a lot of people that are saying that this judge is crazy, but I think this is a savvy move. So listen, if you've got criminal issues or have questions, reach out to us here at Greater Zion Law, 435-674-2564. We'd be happy to answer your questions, see if we can help you. Again, my name is Travis Christiansen.